wanted to update you on what's going on with the drag truck and our future plans for the channel.
Right, so this coming week we're going to have the bedside panel video uploaded. Then the week after that we're going to have the roll pan video done. And then following that week, the third week, we're going to begin filming season 2 of the drag truck because everything should be ready by then. Now you've probably been wondering what the heck we've been doing this whole past winter. Well, if you remember, we first started working on the truck in Trevor's parents' garage. And then we went from there to Trevor's girlfriend's garage. And finally, Trevor has his own garage. So we've been working on getting this place ready to go to work on the truck. So let's go over a couple of the things that we got done so far.
So over the winter, I bought a house, and with the house came a 2-car detached garage. And we were doing some upgrades to it to make it a little bit easier to work on the truck. We added a workbench, a pegboard so we can organize all my tools up there. We organized all my other tools down at the bottom. I did add a couple more tools so that it makes it a little bit easier to work on the truck. Added some lighting in, and we also added a propane heater. The heater's not done yet, but probably this summer we're going to finish it up. We're going to be redoing the loft and doing some extra upgrades to it, make it a little bit cooler. The floor is going to be epoxied and redone, leveled out. And we're also going to paint all the walls, make it look a little bit better. So that's about it.
Alright guys, so as you can see we got a lot of interesting stuff coming up for the channel with the garage and the drag truck. Do stay tuned because we will be doing a giveaway to kick off season 2 of the drag truck project.
Also check out Dutch Master Morgan. He's a stand-up comic and has a bunch of funny content on his Facebook page. He's based in Pennsylvania, goes around and kind of does like a little review of cities in the area. We're loving him right now. We call him the Crazy Dutchman. We're going to post all of his information down in the description below.
Alright guys, that about wraps up our little update we have for you. And do stay tuned. As I said before, we have the bedside panel video coming out this week for you. And we'll see you in the next one.